I have two cameras with me today, and I received notification of new firmware personally, 01, 00, 06, 09, and that is for the Atto of timer shooting. I've contacted personally Extra, and we were in the talks, and I told them and showed them and where to look for the video. I even went ahead and contacted the competitor, DJI Osmo Nano, with the same exact issue. And yet, I don't think DJI came back with a resolution yet. I'll come to the highlight of my talk, and we'll see if there is a firmware on there. So in the meantime, come along. Let's get going. If you're Lindsay, if you're watching this, there goes another rubber thing. Can't slip it back on. They're useless. Now I got one grip left. I kid you not, Lindsay. That's your tripod. It's not an imitation. It is what it is, man. I ordered another one from Teleson, and it's a pop click on one, and I want to thank Black Gypsy for that. June 9th, looked around B&H and Best Buy. They had 2-3 cameras up there. I was looking for, just to see if the GoPro Mission 1 was there, and they have it. And came across the Insta360. Yes, indeed, the Luna Ultra. And it's $769. I'm like saying, can I pick it up now, or is it going to be a number of days to get? So, yeah, June 10th at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, they came out the video. And if you watch carefully, the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 was there. Now I watched the video, and then all the releases came out, and I watched one person, and his name is Brandon Lee. He did an excellent job over everybody. He demonstrated, showed exactly what the camera can do. Did it work? Is it on a timer? Sure is. They learned a lesson to shut it off. All right, so here I am. I'm at my highlight of the talk, and the spies are out, and they want to see what the information's about. If he keeps hanging around me, maybe I'll get him. Anyway, I want to see if that has firmware loaded on. English, 61126, 556, okay. And the Extra Atto app, connect. I have here are two numbers, as you can see, and all I gotta do is hit connect. Now, the camera is really not needed. I don't want to put it on there because it'll slip off of the slippery seat. I deleted everything off of the app. And within a couple of seconds up here, nothing. So we don't have new firmware at the moment. But that just tells me that it's in the works. They got it out there. I'm not going to waste your time. I'm not going to waste my time. Just give it a shot, and we'll set up with Extra. Hey, Extra, we're here. I'm still waiting for that firmware that you promised. It's not going to me because you never sent it to me to push out. So off you go, baby, until you fix it. Promises, man. It'll get out there. Just bear with it. Let's get going. That's my highlight of the talk. Very exciting. My camera said enable portrait mode. What for? I increased my EV value from -1.0 to -0.7. It just seemed that maybe it was a little too dark. It is not a nice day. It's foul. And I am with the Insta360 H Pro 2. I love that camera, and I cannot wait for the Ace Pro 3 to arrive. Now, am I wanting a GoPro 1 Hero Mission Pro? I gotta stop, get off my bike. I gotta turn around because every little cent I find may get me one of those. Yeah, man. Now I'm 25 cents closer. I got good eyes. I do. And do I want a Mission Pro? Will the microphone, Bluetooth, work? That's the question. And I've been watching a number of videos, and it kind of like answered my question. And I'm going to put that bad boy to the side. That's $700 plus a GoPro microphone. That's another, actually you're talking a good $1,000 right there. Now we got a more expensive camera that just came out. It's available. I could have picked it up and had it as soon as I got home today, 7 to 11. And yeah, $769. And I already got the microphone, but I wouldn't have the wide angle lens. Why would I need a wide angle lens if it has two lenses that they could have put a wide angle lens on the other lens and zoomed in? It's a lot they could have done. Again, that camera, very expensive. I already got a gimbal camera, so you can kind of see where this is leading at. No way I can get a DJI Pocket 4P for less funds. Removable screen, 12 times zoom, 8K. I don't even know how much that camera is going to cost or will cost to bring over. And if there is tariffs on it. So I have to wait for the budget. Took a photo. I have to wait for a budget camera. And that is this company right here. Right here, baby. This company right here. Do you see it? That company right there. I got to wait for that company to come out. We don't know how much, or even if that camera's coming out and the screen is going to be like this. Let me see if I can show it to you. If this is the screen right here, it's going to open up this way or that way. This way or that way. It's not going to go like this, one way. And I don't know if I want something like that because I hold my hand this way, and if I flip it this way, it's going to just be in my way. So it has to be flipped this way. It's going to rest on my hand, and I'm going to be leaning. I don't know. That's just me. It's my money, my funds, what I want to do with it. I would say this. For what I do, I don't need a GoPro. Already got an Ace Pro 2. My machine is where I need to concentrate my funds to. And I'm not yet ready to be squished into keyboards because nobody complains about tight keys. They basically use a keyboard itself, their own monitor, and they got everything to the side. And that's why they came out with the Mini. Well, you got double the highlight talk. I'm out of here. I'm going to pick up some bagels instead and just head on out, go enjoy my day, go get some fun filming. And I'll probably take the Nano with me. I think that'd do a good job. I don't know if I want to take the Action 5 Pro with me today because the Ace Pro I'll leave home. And yeah, I don't want to take a Muse. I like to either take the Atto Nano or the Action 5 Pro. That's a police car. Think we could catch up to him? I'm inside. And I'm chitting and chatting My camera's going all haywire, like it's taking a photo on a timer. Because my hands are touching the screen. My camera just repaired a file. The microphone reconnected. I'm not sure what's happening. Maybe I do need a GoPro Hero mission. Cut through. Oh, what a wonderful day before the heat wave hits today. My machine went on fire yesterday. It was like I could have roasted a turkey on it. I could have cooked an egg on it, man. And that's all because of the extra studio rendering a 1-minute, 28-second video that took over 4 hours and just did not complete, stayed at 66%. And my machine was overheated. I watched the video again and they're talking about a Mac Gear just being 128 gig, 256 gig. It doesn't have to be the best and works perfectly for editing at all. Oh man. This is at 409. I'm glad I got some at that price. Not bad at all. And I'm waiting for prices to come down on those cameras. And that's why I'm not picking one up today. Well, I'm Fish. I went out, did what I had to do, and didn't get to what I had to get done because the firmware is not out with me, and that means I have to keep on checking. Keep on checking. On that note, later.